In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us discuss irregular forms of verbs. Part 1, I, and their use in sentences. Number 1 word is freeze. Second form, froze. Third, frozen. Fourth, freezing. Sentences. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. He freezes when we ask him about the incident. The government freezes the rates of commodities to give relief to the poor people. The government freezes his foreign accounts due to his embezzlement. Froze, second form. The water froze after 2 minutes when we kept it in the freezer. Frozen, third form. The water has frozen and converted into ice after an hour. Freezing, fourth form. The freezers with high-quality compressors are freezing water faster than the others. Number 2. Kneel. Second form, knelt. Third, knelt. Fourth, kneeling. Sentences. He kneels before his master to show his submission. Knelt, second form. He knelt and prostrated and offered his prayer. Knelt, third form. He has knelt and beseeched for forgiveness. Kneeling, fourth form. He has been kneeling and prostrating in his submission to Allah. Number 3. Lay. Second form, laid. Third, laid. Fourth, laying. Sentences. Lay your coat on the table. Governments lay taxes on imports. They lay a blame on him. Hens lay eggs and hatch chickens. He lays proofs before the judge. Laid, second form. He laid his book on the table and started reading. Laid, third form. They have laid their weapons on the shoulders to show alertness. Laying, fourth form. They have been laying stones in the water to make crossing easy. Number 4. Lie. Second form, lay. Third, laying. Fourth, lying. Sentences. They sometimes lie on the ground. Many hills and mountains lie ahead. Your success lies in your courage. The responsibility lies with you to recover the loss. Lay, second form. The books lay on the table for many days. Lain, third form. They have lain their books on the table. Lying, fourth form. The books are still lying, unread and untouched. Lie also means wrong information. Its present, past and past participle forms are: first form, lie. Second, lied. Third, lied. Fourth, lying. Sentences. I don't ever lie to anybody. He lies many times to convince others. Lied, second form. He lied to me when I asked him where he had been all the time. Lied, third form. He has never lied to his friends. Lying, fourth form. When he was lying to me, I advised him to speak the truth. Number 5. Sink. Second form, sank. Third, sunk. Fourth, sinking. Sentences. Stones sink in water because they have more density than water. He sinks his voice to a whisper to tell a secret to his friend. Their hearts sink when they see their hero falling down to the ground. Sank, second form. When he threw a stone, it sank into the water. Sunk, third form. The ship was completely sunk into water because of overweight. Sinking, fourth form. The crew immediately controlled the ship when it started sinking from its front. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.